Good afternoon, I'm Shelley Brown.
And I'm Liz Reyes. NOPD Chief Sean Ferguson reassigns an officer as investigators look into newly released body camera video of an officer-involved shooting.
This all ended with a man, Anthony Cowart, shot in the leg. Cowart's mother calls the video disturbing and says the officer shot her son like a dog. Natasha Robin details what happened.
Turn around, please.
NOPD Chief Sean Ferguson says his officer's body camera footage shows potential administrative violations after a man is shot with an officer's gun during a traffic stop. It happened March 10th at the corner of Werner and Chef Mentor Highway in New Orleans East.
7th District Officers Isaiah Shannon, who has 12 years on the job, and Officer Marcus Caldwell, who has approximately 2 years on the job, initiated a traffic stop for a vehicle stop for a possible parking violation.
In the video, you see Officer Shannon with his gun drawn behind his back approach the passenger side of the white Jaguar. Officer Caldwell approaches the driver and has a conversation.
What's up? You all right? Yeah, we all right. I'm just trying to see what made y'all see me every day. What made y'all stop and run up on my car like that?
Bro, it ain't that serious. No, listen, you know you're parked on the wrong side of the road.
Then they always got cars parked right here.
On the other side of the car, Officer Shannon talks to the passenger.
What y'all was smoking, bro? What? Smoking? I mean, I smell the weed, bro. I'm just asking. It's a ticket nowadays.
At the same time, a witness crossing the street yells he's got a gun. It's unclear who the witness says has the gun. Officer Shannon then asks both men to get out of the car. They do, and the passenger takes off.
You hit me!
Officer Shannon grabs the passenger with his left hand, while you can see his gun is still in his right hand.
You hit me!
At the same time, Officer Caldwell is distracted. And the driver breaks away, jumps into the car, and takes off.
I do have my concerns with regards to some possible administrative violations.
Chief Ferguson says an investigation is underway involving the officer's actions. Police did arrest the passenger, but once in court, the commissioner found no probable cause for the arrest. Now Ferguson asked the driver to come forward, and he says he's not wanted by police.
So we can obtain a formal statement about this officer-involved shooting. We're asking you to come as a witness, and we encourage you to come if you would like with your attorney.
Chief Ferguson says his office will conduct a very thorough investigation that will remain transparent. At NOPD headquarters, Natasha Robin, Fox 8, Local First.
Now, Fox 8 is not identifying the driver because he doesn't face any charges in this incident. In a statement this afternoon, the passenger, Anthony Cowart's mother, said, "This abuse has to stop for my son and the next young man who may not be so lucky. We cannot function as a community with this terror being inflicted on young black men every day."
Now, in 2013, the NOPD terminated Officer Shannon after an officer-involved shooting. Shannon appealed to the Civil Service Commission and got his job back in 2017.